first cities, where it's hard to freeze the moment. Take a second and observe. Their frenetic rhythm pulls you in. The heart of Tokyo beats fast. As we speak, has an estimated population of 13.5 million. Buzzing streets fills with the daily routine activity.
The next station is Tokyo.
A city that never sleeps. Where tradition meets modernity.
The next station is Akita.
In a harmonious blend, from neon-lit skyscrapers to serene temples. Tokyo is a city of contrasts. Its skyline is a dazzling display of human innovation and ambition. As photographers, it's easy to get caught in the electric rhythm, always thinking in the next shot. But sometimes you can freeze as a frame. Observe and realize that there are stories in every corner. One of the busiest pedestrian intersections in the world. Every day, thousands of people converge here. A living testament to the city's vibrant energy. As the day turns to night, Tokyo transforms. The city lights up, painting the skyline with a kaleidoscope of colors. It's a reminder that even in the most hectic places, moments of wonder and peace await. This is Tokyo. City of endless motion. Yet, filled with moments worth freezing. Discover it for yourself, one moment at a time.